Welcome to online learning program of MSBT, Learning at Your Doorstep. I am Mrs. Sangeeta Bhoyer, lecturer at VES Polytechnic, Chembur, Mumbai. Topic for today's presentation is Software Development Tools from Unit 2, Instruction Set and Programming. So, today's learning outcome is to explain function of software development tools with diagram. Under this, we will see how assembly language program is created, assembled and made ready to run by using various software development tools. Steps to create an executable assembly language program are as follows. First, we use an editor to type program. Many excellent editors are available that can be used to create and edit the program. Editor produces source file with extension name .src or .asm depending on which assembler we are using. The .asm source file containing the program code is created by editor is fed to an assembler. The assembler converts the instructions into machine code. The assembler will produce an object file and a list file with extension name .obj and .lst respectively. List file is optional but is very useful to programmer because it lists all opcodes and addresses as well as errors that detected. The linker program takes one or more object file and produces an absolute object file with extension .abs. The .abs file is fed into object to hex converter which creates a file with extension hex that is ready to run into ROM. Various software development tools in microcontroller-based systems are editor, assembler, cross-assembler, compiler, cross-compiler, linker, locator, debugger, simulator. Editor. An editor is a program which helps you to construct your assembly language program in right format so that the assembler will translate it correctly to machine language. You can type your entire program through keyboard using editor. After typing the entire program, we have to save the program. This form of program is called as source program and extension name of program must be .asm or .src depending on which assembler is used. Examples of editors are the DOS-based editors such as Edit, WordStar and Norton Editor. Assembler. The source file created by an editor is input to assembler. An assembler is a program that translates assembly language program to correct binary code for each instruction, that is machine code, and generate the file called as object file with extension .obj and list file with extension .lst. This .lst file lists all the opcodes, addresses and errors during the assembly process. Examples are ASEM51, KILS51, AX51 and C51, Intel's PL/M51. Cross-assembler. Cross-assembler is useful to convert object code for microcontroller to other object code for another microcontroller and vice versa. A cross-assembler is an assembler that runs on a computer with one type of processor but generates machine code for a different type of processor. For example, if we use a PC with 8086 compatible machine language to generate a machine code for the 8085 processor, we need a cross-compiler program that runs on the PC compatible machine but generates the machine code for 8085 mnemonic. It takes assembly language as input and gives machine language as output. Now, before we proceed further, please attempt MCQs from set 1, which is given you as assessment sheet. Compiler. Compiler is a computer program that transforms the source code written in a programming or source language into another computer language, that is target language, that is binary code known as object code. A compiler is a program which converts a high-level language program like C into binary or machine code. Using high-level languages, it is easy to manage complex data structure which are often required for data manipulation. Because of its ease, flexibility, and debug options, nowadays the compilers have become very popular in the market. Compilers like Kyle, Ride, and IAR Workbench are very popular. Cross compilers. It is used to create executable code other than one on which the compiler is run. They are used to generate executables for embedded systems on multiple platforms. Linker. Linker is a program in a system which helps to link object modules of program into a single object file. It performs the process of linking. Linkers are also called as link editors or locators. Linking is the process of collecting and maintaining piece of code and data into a single file. Linker also links a particular module into system library. It takes object module from assembler as input and forms an executable file as output. Debugger. Debugging is the step-by-step process of finding errors or bugs in a program so that the bugs can be removed to make the program function in the way it was desired. There are several tools available to do the above defined debugging process. These tools are called debuggers. Simulators. A simulator is the software that simulates a hardware unit like emulator, peripheral, network, and I/O devices on a PC. It defines a processor or processing device as well as various versions for the target system. Monitors the detailed information of a source code part with labels and symbols during the execution for each single step. Now, please take MCQs from Set 2 which are given in your assessment sheet. Let us summarize the software development tools. Editor. An editor is a program which helps you to construct your assembly language program in right format so that the assembler will translate it correctly to machine language. Assembler. An assembler is a program that translates assembly language program to the correct binary code for each instruction, that is machine code, and generate the file called as object file with extension .obj and list file with extension .lst. Cross assembler. It is useful to convert object code for microcontrollers or processors to other code for another microcontroller or processor and vice versa. Compiler. It is a computer program that transforms the source code written in a programming or source language to another computer language, that is binary code known as object code. Cross compiler. It is used to create executable code other than one on which the compiler is run. They are used to generate executables for embedded systems or multiple platforms. Linker locator. It is a program in a system which helps to link an object module of program into a single object file. Debugger. Debugging is the step-by-step process of finding errors or bugs in a program. Simulators. A simulator is a software that simulates a hardware unit like emulator, peripheral, network, and I/O devices on a PC. Thus, we have discussed software development tools.